Hi Blue class, well done for a good first week into our summer term. It's been really lovely seeing all of your learning, so well done for those that are posting photos and different comments on our blog. Keep this up. Well done especially to Elijah for being our first star of the week. I hope I find it just as tricky to choose one for next week because you're all doing an amazing job, so keep it up. I thought this week in our video I would give you a little quiz. There's going to be 3 rounds with 5 questions in each. First one's going to be all about our previous topics. The next one will be maths questions, and the final one will be general knowledge. I'll then go through the answers at the end. Make sure you post how you do on our blog. So make sure you've got a pen and paper ready, and I shall begin. Question 1. This is on our previous topics, so let's see who's been listening in class. Number 1. What is the longest river in the world? I'm just going to keep going through the questions, but if you need to pause it whilst writing down your answers, then do. Number 2. What was the Viking alphabet called? Number 3. What do we call water that is in the form of a gas? Number 4. Where did the Egyptians keep their internal organs after they had been mummified? You should all know this one because we use them in our trip to Brighton Museum. And number 5. What is the native animal of North America? Okay, make sure you got your answers down to that round. And next I'm going to give you 5 maths questions. Now these should be ones that you can work out in your head or be quite quick at. Obviously if you need to pause the video then do. Number 1. What is 1 less than 4,950? Number 2. What is 135 centimetres in metres? Think about how we can convert that. Number 3. How many degrees are in a right angle? Number 4. A square has a perimeter of 32 centimetres. So how long is each side? Number 5. What would I add to 350 to make 1,000? Got one of my cats meowing at the door because I've shut them out the room. Very needy. Okay, 5 questions on general knowledge. Number 1, who sung the songs Lego House, Sing and Photograph? Number 2, in which country did the Olympic Games originate? Where did it all first start? Number 3, Madrid is the capital of which country? Number 4, which food group does bread belong to? And number 5 is a riddle, so you've got to solve my riddle. What starts with T, ends with T, and has T in it? Okay, if you need to pause the video and make sure you've got all your answers to all the questions, and then I will go through the answers and make sure you're marking them honestly. I know what some of you are like. Okay, so the first ones were on our previous topics. Number 1, the longest river in the world, should have been able to work this one out of it being linked to our topics, is the River Nile. Number 2, the Viking alphabet is called runes. Number 3, water when it is in the form of a gas is water vapour, or if you wrote steam, I'll let you have it. And the Egyptians kept their internal organs in canopic jars. I wonder if you can name each organ and the head of each canopic jar for an extra point. And the Native American of North America is the bison, which we did a guided read on just before we broke up, so hopefully you remembered that one. The maths questions. 1 less than 4,950 would be 4,949. 135 centimetres in metres is 1.35 metres. There are 90 degrees in a right angle. If a square has a perimeter of 32 centimetres, the sides would be 8 centimetres each because they'd all be the same, so we divide by 4. And I would need to add 650 to 350 to make 1,000. And our general knowledge questions. The singer of Lego House, Sing and Photograph was Ed Sheeran. The Olympics originated in Greece. Madrid is the capital of Spain. Bread belongs to the food group carbohydrates. And what starts with T, ends with T, and has tea in it is a teapot. I like that one. Make sure you post your scores on our blog. I look forward to seeing how you did, and maybe if I do another one, that will decide if I've been too kind and too easy this week, or whether I need to make them harder. Good luck, and let me know how you get on. Looking forward to another great week and seeing all of your learning. Remember, lots of photos, lots of comments. Let's keep in contact. Keep safe. See you soon, Blue Class.